Hello, so let us get started with differentiation VSAQs today. So find the derivative of a power x e power x square. So let us take y is equal to a power x e power x square. So you can see it is a product of two functions. So we apply UV rule here. We take u as first function, v as second function. We know the product rule, right? What is UV derivative? What is UV whole derivative? That is u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. So let us take this as equation number 1. We differentiate equation number 1 with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy by dx. So we write first function as it is, differentiate the second function. Plus write second function as it is, differentiate the first function. Now that is a power x into e power x square, derivative is e power x square only. And again differentiating x square. Plus e power x square we write as it is. Derivative of a power x is a power x log a. So that is a power x e power x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. Plus e power x square a power x log a. So if you take e power x square into a power x common, we get 2x plus log a. This is the final answer. This is dy by dx. Take the next question. Find the derivative of the function 5 sin x plus e power x log x. So let us take y is equal to 5 sin x plus e power x log x. Now differentiating with respect to x. So if you differentiate y, you will get dy by dx is equal to 5 is a constant we write outside. Then dy dx of sin x plus dy dx of e power x log x. Now you can see e power x log x is a product of two functions. So we apply UV rule. So that is 5 derivative of sin x is cos x plus for the second part we will apply UV rule now. So write first function as it is, differentiate the second function. Plus you write second function as it is, differentiate the first function. So that is 5 cos x plus e power x into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of e power x is e power x. So that is 5 cos x plus e power x by x plus e power x log x. This is the final answer. Take the next question. This is very important. Appeared many times in boards. Recently appeared in TS May 23 paper. So if f of x is equal to 1 plus x square plus so on up to x power 100, then find f dash of 1. So first let us write what is given to us. F of x is equal to 1 plus x square plus so on up to x power 100. Now differentiating with respect to x on both sides. F of x will become f dash of x. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x is 2x plus so on up to derivative of x power 100 is 100x power 99. But we need to find out f dash of 1. So in f of x, you put x is equal to 1. You will get f dash of 1. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus so on up to 100 into 1 power 99 is again 1. 100 into 1 is again 100. So that is 1 plus 2 plus so on up to 100. So the formula for n terms, sum to n terms is n into n plus 1 by 2. So that is 100 into 101 by 2. 2 ones are 2 50s are. So 101 into 50 is 5050. Now take the next question. This is also very, very important. Appeared in AP March 24 paper. So the question is, if f of x is equal to x e power x sin x, then find f dash of x. So first let us write down what is given to us. Given f of x is equal to x e power x sin x. So here you have product of three functions. So if two functions were there, we were using UV rule. And now when three functions are there, we use UVW rule, UVW. Derivative of UVW is first differentiate U, write V and W as it is. Then differentiate V, write U and W as it is. Then differentiate W, write UV as it is. This is product rule of three functions. So let us take this as equation number 1. Differentiating equation number 1 with respect to x. So you will get f dash of x is equal to, first differentiate x and we write e power x sin x as it is. Then differentiate e power x and we will write x sin x as it is. Now we differentiate sin x and then we write x e power x as it is. So derivative of x is 1 into e power x sin x plus derivative of e power x is e power x into x sin x. Then derivative of sin x is cos x into x e power x. So if you take e power x common, you will get sin x plus x sin x plus x cos x. This is the final answer. Take the next question. If y is equal to x square e power x sin x, find dy by dx. This is same as the last one. So first let us write given y equals to x square e power x sin x. Now differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, we use UVW rule. So first we will differentiate first function. The other two we write as it is. Then we differentiate the second function. The other two we write as it is. And then we differentiate the third function. The other two we write as it is. So derivative of x square is 2x e power x sin x plus derivative of e power x is e power x square sin x plus derivative of sin x is cos x square e power x. So from these three we can take x e power x common. So we get 2 sin x plus x sin x plus x cos x. This is the final answer. Now take the next question. If y is equal to a minus x by a plus x, then find dy by dx. So what is given to us? Y is equal to a minus x by a plus x. Now differentiating with respect to x. But how to differentiate? You have a numerator and a denominator. So whenever you have a fraction form, we use u by v rule. This is called quotient rule. So u by v rule is, in the denominator we write v square. V we write as it is, u we differentiate. Minus u we write as it is, v we differentiate. This is quotient rule. Or you can call it as u by v rule. So denominator we take it as v and numerator we take it as u. Take this as equation number 1. Now we differentiate equation number 1 with respect to x on both sides. So y will become dy by dx is equal to, now you see, Denominator we are writing a plus x whole square. Now denominator we write as it is, numerator we differentiate. What is derivative of a minus x? Derivative of a is 0 minus derivative of x is 1. Minus, now numerator we write as it is and denominator we differentiate. So derivative of a plus x is, a derivative is 0, x derivative is 1. So that is a plus x into minus 1 is minus a minus x. Now minus into minus will become plus x into 1 is plus x by a plus x whole square. Now plus x minus x get cancelled. That is minus a by a plus x whole square. This is dy by dx. Now take the next question. Find the derivative of the function log tan 5x with respect to x. So first we will assume this function as y. So let y is equal to log of tan 5x. Now you see this is not product of two functions. Inside log we have tan. Again inside tan you have 5x. So this is chain rule. Okay, one function is inside the other. This is one function only. Log of tan 5x is one function only. If you have log x into tan 5x, then this is separate function. This is u and this is v. So you cannot apply uv rule here because it is only one function. Understood? So we are differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, first we differentiate d by dx of log of tan 5x. Now we know that d by dx of log x is 1 by x. But in the place of x you have tan 5x. So that is 1 by tan 5x. Now again differentiating tan 5x. Now we know that derivative of tan x is secant square x. So 1 by tan 5x into tan 5x derivative is secant square 5x. Now again in the place of x you have 5x. So we are differentiating 5x again. So that is 1 by tan. 1 by tan can be written as sin 5x by cos 5x. Then secant square 5x we can write 1 by cos square 5x. Then again derivative of 5x is 5. 1 cos get cancelled. That is 5 by sin 5x cos 5x. If I bring sin and cos up, it will become reciprocal. So reciprocal of sin is cosecant and reciprocal of cos is secant. So this is the final answer. Now take the next question. Find the derivative of the function log of sine of log x. So let y is equal to log of sine of log x. So you can see one function is inside the other. Within log you have sine log x. Again within sine you have log x. So this is one function itself. So we differentiate with respect to x. So y will become dy by dx. Then we have to differentiate this whole function. D by dx of log of sine of log x. Now we know that log x derivative is 1 by x. So log sine log x derivative will be 1 by sine log x. Then again differentiating sine log x. Now we know that derivative of sine theta is cos theta. So sine log x derivative is cos log x. Then again we have to differentiate log x. So three functions are there. We have to differentiate it 3 times. So now you can see cos log x by sine log x. Cos by sine is cot. So we can write cot log x and then log x derivative is 1 by x. So this can be written as cot log x divided by x. This is the answer. Now take the next question. Find the derivative of the function y is equal to cos of log of cot x. So first let us write the given function. Given y is equal to cos of log cot x. Now differentiating with respect to x. Again you can see this is one function inside the other. So dy by dx is equal to, first we differentiate the whole function. D by dx of cos of log of cot x. Now derivative of cos is minus sin x. So this is minus sin of log of cot x. Then again differentiating log cot x. Now minus sin of log of cot x we write as it is. Now derivative of log cot x. What is derivative of log x? It is 1 by x. So log cot x derivative is 1 by cot x. Then again differentiating cot x. That is minus sin of log cot x. Reciprocal of cot is tan. So if I take cot up, it will become tan x. Then derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Now how to further simplify? This is minus sin of log cot x. Minus into minus will become plus. Tan can be written as sin by cos. Cosecant can be written as 1 by sin square x. Now sin and sin get cancelled. That is sin of log of cot x by sin x cot x. Sin x cos x. This is the final answer. Now take the next question. This is very, very important. Last appeared in TS March 24. So find the derivative of the function sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. So let us take y is equal to sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. So here we use substitution. Directly we don't like differentiate sine inverse, then u by v rule. Okay, instead we can take substitution here. So put x is equal to tan theta. So y will become sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula for sine 2 theta. This is sine 2 theta. Okay. Now sine and sine inverse will be cancelled and you will be left over with only 2 theta. Now here x is tan theta. So theta will be tan inverse of x. Now we will substitute theta as tan inverse x. So that is 2 tan inverse x. Now you differentiate with respect to x. So y will become dy by dx is equal to 2 d by dx of tan inverse x. Now we know that derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. That is 2 by 1 plus x square. This is dy by dx.